Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at the brand new Bailey Phoenix 640, which is a rear fixed island bed, mid-washroom, full berth caravan. Like the rest of the Bailey range, there's no front locker, but I'll show you the gas locker in a moment. And although the front is a little sparse, the caravan does make good use of that large central window. Moving around to the side, you can see the gas locker is held midway down the caravan to assist with weight distribution. Services including the toilet, the grey water, the fresh water can all be found down this side. The only service missing is the electric hookup. I'll show you that on the other side in a moment. The back of the caravan is quite familiar with a smooth roofline, no complex moulding, which will assist with cleaning and water runoff when in storage. On the left hand side we have the only external locker, the electric hookup point, and you'll see that the door is a stable door design, although it would be nice to see a window in the top half. So before we head inside, let's look at some of the specs of this full berth caravan. Weighing in with an MT PLM of 1,382 kilos and an MRO of 1,227 kilos, that gives us a user payload of 155 kilograms. Its total length is 7.3 meters and its total width is 2.2 meters wide as well. So with the tech specs out of the way, let's pop inside and check out this layout. The first thing you'll notice when you open the door is the huge drawer and cupboard that sits below the sink in the kitchen. Behind this cupboard is the gas locker, but even that doesn't seem to impact this large storage area. As we spin round, you'll see the colour scheme of the interior. Bailey call the fabric option Brockwell, and the colour scheme of the cupboard is brushed champagne. The central large window provides lots of light into the living space. Next to the window there are two small cubby holes, and the one on the left contains the radio. The larger head lockers do not include soft closing or positive latches, but do contain enough space for tall items, such as a bottle or a box of cereal. The seats can be used as two single beds or made up as a large double, and here's the specs on the bed sizes. As two single beds, it's 5'11" by 2'1", or made up as the double, it's a 6'2" by 4'7" large double bed. So let's head on over to the kitchen area. The kitchen incorporates a cover over the cooker, and with this cover it negates the need for a pull-out flap as there's plenty of prep space. The cooker has a 4-gas burner hob with separate grill and oven, which sits next to a huge drawer, big enough for all your cutlery and utensils. The control panel for the Truma heating and hot water is just behind the sink, along with two mains outlets, which is perfect for a toaster and a kettle. Opposite the cooker is the triple fuel refrigerator. On top of this fridge is a handy workspace, and that's where the first of two TV outlets, 12-volt sockets and single mains outlets are situated. Finally, above the workspace is the microwave and a small cupboard. So let's go straight to the back of the caravan and let's have a look at the fixed bed. As we look through the central bathroom, we can see the huge 6'2" by 4'6" double bed. Under the bed is a vast amount of storage, and this is the home for the dining table and the spare wheel. The bedroom has two small wardrobes and cupboards either side of the bed, and additional lockers contain two small reading lights, one of which has a USB socket, which is perfect for charging a tablet, phone or ebook. At the foot of the bed there's a small shelf and the second of the TV coax outlets, mains outlets and 12 volts. The opposite side there's another power socket, a small cupboard and a vanity mirror. So let's head back into the washroom. The washroom is separated from the bedroom with a sliding door, and the washroom contains a fully lined granite stone shower cubicle, complete with its own skylight, 12-volt LED light and Eco Camel shower head. On the opposite side there is a modest sized wash basin, mirror and cabinet, along with a Thetford cassette toilet. And that's it. I hope you've enjoyed this tour around the 640. If you've got any comments or questions, feel free to ask below. So that's it from me today. I'm going to offer a cup of coffee and I'll see you a bit later on. Take care now. Bye bye.